Hello? Package from Lex Machina. Okay. 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 So we just received box from Lex Machina addressed to myself. So, alright, let's do some unboxing. Okay. Thank you to Lex Machina. Nice box. And it's sealed with the Lex Machina logo. Nice. So, okay, let's try to open this one. Oh my god. Oh, just wait. Well, okay. We got no. Let's try this one. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Sorry for the box. Sorry. Okay. Woohoo! Thank you for the gift. This is a very nice gift from a fan. Oh wow! See that? Got my new sponsor, Lex Machina. Okay, and what do we have here? It's a cup with the Lex Machina logo. Very nice. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh wow. And what do we have here? And we have the summer vibe. Nothing. Okay. Thank you, Lex Machina. And it's a sando. Okay. Let's try this one. It's perfect. Okay. Okay. How about that? Yeah. Woohoo! Nice. And do it there. Summer vibes. Perfect. Thank you, Lex Machina. You're the best.